Hey, welcome to Teardown. Since I've only had one Teardown video, I guess we're gonna have time to find this. Gosh, I don't know. Wait, what? Mod manager. Here we go. Armenti Space Station. You know the. All right. Let's see what we're working with here. As I have not played this map and I've... What? Nuh-uh. Alright, instant film camera. Huh? What the f... They had a third person to tear down! Yup. Oh yes. Reaper side. What the... How do I throw this? What? Ah! Everything revolver? Oh my god. Alright, let's see what we're working with. Give me a black hole, black hole, black hole, black hole, black hole. Oh yes. Oh, it is a literal black hole. What the? Okay. Huh? What the? I wanna connect that. I don't even know how to. Ah, here. All right. No, no. Stay open. Bruh. Huh? These doors really are heavy containment. Jesus. So much for a freaking door. Ah, yes, I think that will hold them open. What do you say? I think these will do well. They're doing anything but freaking well. God, I've roped up these doors too many times! And there's nothing I can do! But it's actually starting to pull them back, which is just what I needed. Yeah. It's been officially blocked off. I still need to cover it with planks anyways. Spawn. Where is it? Where is it? Yes, zombies. Zombie spawn. Defense variety horde. Ah, yes. Ah, what the? Yo! Can't get through the roofs, oh! Yep, I'm gonna need to use the power washer. Yeah, just give me a hook, shotgun. Ah! Ah! I got my eyes on the prize! Yeah, I need to customize. How do I customize? I know I can customize this. How do I customize this? Ah, here we go. Hook, pull power, turn that down. Kick back, turn that down. Pose per shot, turn that down. Alright, perfect. Oh god, is that seriously all the zombies you threw at me? Oh, Lord Churchill, this is horrible. God, stop being so fast! It is time for you to be... It is time for you to be effortlessly sledgehammered! Oh god, he's broken my oxygen barrier. Tornado controller. No, that's a leaf blower. no more? Oh, welcome back, buddy! No one ever liked you. Yes, give me the debt cord. We're gonna detonate that. Ah! Tornado control. Oh, dude! What the? Oh, Lord. Telekinesis. Yeah, Houston, we got a problem. Ah, frick! Firefighter incoming! Alright, well, time to put on some more telekinesis, as I need to master my telekinesis skills. Kaboom! It's just that easy. Houston, we got a problem. Oh God, this annoyingly loud tornado! My mind is at ease. Hey, you got me here, lad. I'm gonna go feed you to the tornado. Yeah. Oh, Houston, there's more. Houston, get back here. Yep, I'm making you food for the tornado. Yoink. You're going straight in there. Goodbye. I shouldn't have sacrificed nobody to the tornado. Oh my God! Why did I sacrifice him to the... Oh my God. Liquefy. Whoa. Oh God! Oh! Let's see. How do I do this? Detaching. Alt. Oh my God. Detach! Jake, you know me. Oh yeah. I forgot to mention, I need to, I'm just gonna add you to my friend. My good old friend recipe. Yep, this is how you feed him. You just sacrifice him to the, sacrifice him to a tornado. I can't even see anymore. Where am I? What is this? This is horrible customer service! How am I gonna get down? Am I falling? I think I'm... Am I falling? Oh, Lord. We're gonna have to restart. You know the deal. Let's see here. 9 minutes. I'm ending the recording. Bye.